Hey, stranger, remember me?
Sam, where are you?
I'm here at boarding school. It's going pretty good. I'm making some friends. I just wish I wasn't so far away.
Yeah, that makes two of us.
Maybe you can write me a letter. Tell me what's new and exciting in the life of Mark. Anyway, tell Brett and Heather and Chuck I said hey. And don't forget my letter, okay? I miss you, Mark.
I miss you too, Sam.
Bring it, Ace.
Yeah.
Yeah! Woo-hoo! And the crowd goes wild as Chuck Mughal is crowned champion of the world and the sixth dimension. Ha!
I want a rematch. Now.
I already beat you 3 times. Haven't you had enough?
Never! What?
Easy, Ace. It's just a game, mate.
Yeah, man. Relax. Deep breaths.
I don't breathe, remember? I don't understand what's wrong with me. Heroes aren't supposed to be sore losers. It's just that... It's just that... I can't lose! I'm a superhero!
2 words, dude. Anger management.
We gotta find out what's wrong with Ace before he does some serious damage to himself. Or to us.
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. He wakes a hero in us all.
Okay, everybody off the bus, let's go. Jump, come on, move it out. Let's go. Come on, Hollander, pick it up. Let's go.
Dude, I figured out why Ace is acting like such a superhuman psycho. Somebody must have scrambled his code.
But that doesn't make any sense.
Actually, it makes total sense. I mean, what if you'd spent your entire life with a computer program telling you what to do, huh? Then one day, bam, the program's gone and you're stuck with all these weird new feelings. You'd be a basket case.
Oh, isn't that cute? The dynamic duo of Chuck and Brit Boy discussing their feelings.
At least we have feelings.
Chuck.
Hey, look, I have feelings. Like, for example, pain.
Hey.
Knock it off, you 3. This field trip to Friendship Farm is to foster a feeling of unity in our freshman homeroom. So, stay away from each other. Start marching. Go on, single file. Let's go. Hup, hup. Come on, all of you, let's go. I don't know, but I've been told.
I knew Mark was a liar, but a troublemaker too? That boy's on the road to Loserville.
I gotta know, why do you hate Mark so much?
I'll tell you why I hate him. If you tell me why you like him.
Who said I liked him?
Nobody. But if you do, you should know he's got a girlfriend at boarding school.
Girlfriend? He never mentioned a girlfriend.
Now do you know why I hate him?
We're only going for a day, Heather. Did you have to bring your entire wardrobe?
Hey, Brett, I'll help you.
How do I look?
Not bad for a mortal. Play your cards right, Duffy. Kilobyte might even let you live.
Hope so. I mean, when we first met, I didn't show him the proper groveling. Who knew he'd be the big cheese, huh?
Howdy, partners! Wait for rocket! Hey, go find an empty grave, you zoned-out zombie. We've got business with the boss. Oh, how many times do I gotta tell you? Rocket ain't no zombie. Rocket walking dead. Gee, he's a sensitive zombie. Reminds me of that emotional wreck, Ace.
Yeah.
Hold it, handsome. You're not going anywhere until I get some answers. Spill it, rat. What did you freaks do to me? Why am I changing?
I didn't do nothing, Ace, I swear. It was Lady Illusion. She gave you human emotions. A direct orders from Kilobyte.
Kilobyte? Never heard of him.
Oh, Ace. Did I hurt your feelings? Well, catch this, sweetie.
Escape while you can. Kilobyte's too powerful. You'll never defeat him.
Follow lightning. We haven't formally been introduced yet. I'm Duff. At your disposal.
Keep talking and I will dispose of you. Now drive.
Okay. I'm gonna drive now.
An impressive display of force, your lordship, if I do say so.
Indeed, my steady staff. But lightning hurt him before he escaped. And if Kilobyte can be hurt, he can also be defeated.
All right, tell the truth. You made that stuff up about Mark having a girlfriend just to see my reaction.
Yeah, I made it up. Just like I made up this secret letter I found from Mark to his secret girlfriend.
What secret girlfriend?
See, I knew you were lying.
Really? Dear Samantha, it was really cool to hear your voice the other night.
There's a new girl at school named Kat. We've been hanging out a bit. I haven't told her about you. Didn't think I needed to.
Hey, dude, run. What? What are you guys up to?
Just a little light reading.
Your secret's out.
Secret? Listen, Kat, I can explain.
Oh, what's to explain? So you have a girlfriend. Big deal. I just don't get why you didn't tell me.
'Cause he's a liar?
Hey. Cool game. That's my game. Wrong. That was your game. Learn your tenses, man.
Button it, you two, and sit down.
Okay, so, wow. Thank you, everybody, for forming such a wonderful sharing circle. My name is Lester Crocker, but you can call me Les. Any questions so far?
Les?
Yes.
What are we doing in this lame place?
It's good.
That's okay, Horace. It's okay. It's okay. You see, here at Friendship Farms, everyone is encouraged to express their opinions. And as we learn to trust and not to judge, we will open a climate for streamlined communications as we discover new ways of solving problems together. Sound like fun? Super, I can see we're off to a swell start. Okay, so now let's everybody pair up. So the person sitting next to you will be your buddy for the rest of the day. So everybody turn and say hello to your new buddy.
Come on, Chucky, get over the wall, buddy. Cut! Oh, Kat, I'm sorry. Hey, come on. Kat. Hey. Ace?
Huh? Oh, Sorry, kid. Are you okay?
Yeah. But since when do you shoot first and ask questions later?
Listen, Mark. This is war. This thing called the Kilobyte.
Sounded like it came from over here, Lester.
Ace, get out of here. Now!
We'll talk later, kid.
Mr. Hollander, what a surprise. Not.
Oh, dear.
I know we've never worked together before, and I ain't questioning your methods, but are you sure it's a good idea to knock over a wasp's nest?
Just get one.
Now I got you covered. Ow! 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 Oh! Oh, my nose!
Bring me the wasp.
Okay. Boy, you cartoons have done some crazy stuff before. But why'd anyone want to get stung by a wasp?
It's all about power.
Whoa, what did you do this time?
It's a long story.
And I'm sure it's a good one. Let's go.
Come on, man, we're going for a ride.
Crocker calls it a relaxation reward for our successful team building.
I would, but I'm not allowed to leave my shame spiral until I fix this hole.
I'm out of here.
Don't worry. Can't stay mad forever. You gotta be strong. Yeah, strong.
Brett, let's go!
Coming!
Give me back my game! Give me back my game!
I still don't get why Mark lied to me and led me on like that.
Men.
Hold up. Did you even ask Mark about the letter? Maybe he didn't mean to say what he said. Or maybe the letter didn't mean what you thought it meant. You know what I mean?
No. What do you mean? Have you been lying to me too?
No, I never lied. Well, not never. What was?
Come on, Kat. Us girls should stick together.
What'd I say?
Friendship, fun. Yeah, it should be plenty of firewood. First it's Lord Fear, then it's Kilobyte. Too many boss. Come on, work. Bring back my games! Hey, fellas, I found some more firewood. Let's hurry up and roast up some weenies. I'm so hungry I could eat a...
Ugly monster!
Once the wasp stung me, it took on my powers. See how it grows and mutates? I named him Fred.
You're gonna call that thing... Fred?
What's wrong with Fred? I like it.
It's a great name, boss. But just out of curiosity, what's Fred gonna eat?
Who knows? Maybe he likes rats. Rotgut, go stir up the mortals. That should flush out lightning.
I'll keep him company. You know zombies, they don't like to be alone.
Fred. I'll get some more firewood.
Ooh, easy, my pet, easy. It won't be long before you're fully grown. Then we'll go hunting, and you can sting a lightning night.
Help! Somebody!
SOS!
Oh, forget it, Upchuck. They would have heard us by now. We're lost.
Yeah. Thanks to you. At least I got my game back.
Well, no one said you had to chase me. I was just having a little fun.
Fun? You think it's fun getting pushed around by you, Wayne? Huh? Think it's fun having to watch my back all the time? Always on the lookout in case you're gonna pummel me or call me some stupid name?
That's what it's like?
Yeah, that's what it's like.
Cool.
I give up.
What was that?
Wait!
It's this way. Come on, you stupid zombie. I'm Walking Dead. Why can't you call me Walking Dead? Oh, just one. Because, zombie, I don't care.
Suddenly, the ghost cried, "Boo! Boo-hoo!" The zombie asked the ghost why he was crying. The ghost thanked the zombie for his sensitivity to his feelings, and the two stayed up past their bedtimes, discussing their emotions.
You got in trouble for being late?
Nah, Crocker's way too happy to get mad.
That ought to get Lightning's attention. Your turn, Gutty. Rutgut? Rutgut! Where'd you go?
As the clock struck midnight, the zombie and the ghost enjoyed a cup of hot cocoa. The zombie explained to the ghost that by scaring people, he was only hiding from his true feelings of loneliness.
Rutgut's lonely too. Give me a hug. Hey, where are you sleeping? Give me a hug. Rutgut!
Why don't you try someone who can fight back? Where is he?
Hold on, cat!
Help! I can't stop this thing!
Just jump over!
I can't jump!
Come on, you can do it!
Ride's over. Time to go back where you came from.
Oh, my prey learns quickly. But the victory is mine. I'm tired of toying with you, Lightning. Next time, it's for real.
You know, for a troublemaking liar, you're pretty amazing.
Go back to the carnival. The hunt is over. For today.
You got the amulet? You destroyed Ace Lightning?
I've done something better. I've made Ace Lightning taste defeat. And now his emotions will destroy him.
Defeat? Big deal. I've been a loser my whole life. Hasn't hurt me.
Duff, you heard the boss. Let's hit the road.
Listen, Kat. About...
You talk way too much.
Cut that out! That was some juvenile stunt Hollander dressing up as a zombie scaring us all half to death.
Mr. Chesbro, that
No,
was...
it wasn't Mark. He was with me.
Don't tell me you're defending him.
No, you don't understand. That thing wouldn't stop. Mark saved me. He's a hero.
All right, Mark. Yeah.
Super. Okay, everybody. Group hug. Come on, get in there. That's it. We're making wonderful strides, people. That's it. Yeah. Scooch right in. Don't be shy.
Oh, dude, we made it.
Sweet. Feel the love. You see? It works, doesn't it? Yeah. Feel the support, people.
Ace, you right, mate?
I've had better days, kid.
That thing in the sky. It's like a nightmare. Where did it come from?
His name's Kilobyte. I don't know where he's from, but he's more than I can handle. He beat me, Mark. I lost.
You sound scared.
It's these human feelings. I can't control them.
Well, don't worry, Ace. We'll get him. We always do.
Maybe not this time, kid.
But you can't be afraid! You're Ace Lightning.